The free Magic Dice plugin by Baby Audio takes all processing and effects of the Baby Audio spaced out plugin and has minimized and randomized all of that in basically one big button. That button will randomly hustle all parameters of spaced out and give you a sound which you might like or not. Simply press the button again and again and again and again and again and again until you have something you like. Just try your luck. As you could hear, any sound you get is a combination of delay and reverb. And since they are all based on the sound of spaced out, they will all sound good. So if you roll that dice enough, you might end up with a sound which will fit your particular audio track. You have only one other control, and that is a dry-wet dial. And that is a useful one. The sound you get is not automatable in any way, as you can see in this parameter overview. So either never touch Magic Dice again after you find a sound you like, or render it. The Magic Dice is part of the freebies you can find on the Baby Audio site. The other freebies are the great Magic Switch, which does a Uno 60 chorus, and the Baby Comeback Delay Echo plugin. And if you use the code WNS10, you will get an extra 10% off of any product you buy on the Baby Audio site during these Black Friday sales when you use the link in the description below. If you like the sound of Magic Dice but you want control of all parameters, watch my video on Spaced Out. It's linked in the description and displayed on screen right now.